with this example, we're going to see what do we do when we have a down payment with a mortgage, how to calculate a monthly payment, and then how to calculate the interest paid for all the duration of the mortgage, though. So, Xingwei is purchasing a home for $310,000 and will make a down payment of 5%. She will finance the mortgage over 25 years. And we want to see for the first part, calculate the amount borrowed for the mortgage. So how much she needs to borrow. Well, if she's going to make a down payment of 5%, that means that 5% of the amount she already has. So she will give that money in cash, right? So she doesn't need to borrow it. So let's see what amount is this one. So 5%, that will be 0.05 times 310,000. Okay, this one will give you 15,500. This is how much she needs to pay to the bank. That's the down payment. Well, how much she needs to borrow then? We just need to take it away from 310,000. So this is going to give you 290 or 500. Okay, so this is the amount that she needs to borrow. Another way you could do it is saying, well, she's going to put a down payment of 5%, so she needs to borrow 95% of the value of the house, okay? So 95%, that will give you 0.95 times 310,000. You're still going to get the same value here, okay, that she needs to borrow. So one way or the other for this first one. Okay, so let's see the second one here. Calculate the monthly mortgage payment if it costs $5.26 per month for each $1,000 borrowed. So basically, instead of us going to the table and finding the value is given to us right here in the question. So we know that the monthly payment, okay, it's going to be the amount that she'll borrow. Remember, this is not what she borrows now, right? From question 1, we found that what she borrows is this one. So the amount that she's going to borrow divided by 1,000 to convert into thousands, and then times the 5.26 that we have here. So this will give you 1549.07, okay, which is a reasonable amount for a monthly mortgage payment. Let's see the last one now. So calculate the cost of financing paid over the 25 years mortgage. So to calculate this one, we need to think about, okay, that's how much is going to pay for 1 month. Okay, how many payments will she have for the 25 years? Well, so 1549.07, this is for 1 month, okay, times 12, because 12 years in a month, and then times 25 years, okay? So all of that here is going to give you 464721, okay? So now this is the amount that she's going to pay, paying for with including all payments. So with all payments, okay, for 25 years, they add up to this amount. Well, what's the total interest that they paid? Initially, she borrowed $294,500. That's how much she borrowed, right? But she ended up paying the $464,721. So take those two away. So 464721. Take away what she initially borrowed. I'm gonna end up with 170,221. Okay, so this is how much paid in interest for over the duration of 25 years. Okay, and let's think about it. Is this a reasonable amount? Believe it or not, that's how much you pay. It's kind of like buying another house, right? That's how much you pay for your interest rate, for your interest throughout the duration of a mortgage. Okay, so from the initial amount you take away the initial amount from all the payments you've paid through the duration, and that's how you find the interest.